In this video, we will show you the Norwegian Viva Haven Penthouse Suite with balcony. We are Savor in Style. We stayed in room 12304 on a 10-night Mediterranean cruise. We found the room to be very comfortable and incredibly spacious. The bed was a full king, not just two twins pushed together. The linens were luxurious. Upon entering the room, there is a keypad where you can actually let your room steward and butler know if you are in the room or whether you want it to be serviced. There is a key already in the key slot, so you don't need to put your room key in order for the lights to work. In the first closet, we've got several hangers as well as 2 bathrobes that have been upgraded and 2 sets of slippers. There is also a shelf to put your shoes. On the other side, you have a couple of top shelves and a handful of towels in case you're going ashore. You've got your safe, laundry bag, golf umbrella, as well as 3 large soft close drawers. On the bottom, there is also another shoe shelf. The closet is lit when you open the door as well. Make sure you keep it closed at night so it doesn't stay lit. Further on, you've got your sort of butler pantry, you've got your Nespresso machine, which they will refill daily, as well as a wine opener. You've also got your tea forte. There are a couple of cans of water and the waters that are in the minibar, but those are not included. Those are for extra charge. There is also 2 more drawers right below the TV. It's a large size TV. And you've got quite a few different channels, as well as mini movies that are actually free. They aren't pay-per-view. And then you've got your ice bucket, a couple glasses. You've got your phone there where you can contact the butler with any of your needs or requests, or you get in touch with the concierge. You've got your chaise lounge, got your table here with plates and silverware. You've also got your room service menu, as well as some other information about things going on around the ship. You've got your sparkling wine, another chair. Here we have the lighting controls as well as for the curtains. There's a sheer curtain as well as full blackout curtains. You've got 2 American plugs, a USB and a USB-C plug. We've got another large drawer here, and to the right, 2 more drawers that are also soft touch. Again, the bed was great. I did request 2 additional pillows that were a little bit firmer than what was on the bed. This drawer that pulls out, we wound up sort of using that as our hamper. There's 1 on each side. And at the end of the bed, you've also got storage for your suitcases, or really anything you want to throw underneath there. But we had a large suitcase and our carry-on, and they all fit perfectly. Kept it out of the room. And we have a vanity center here. You've got your trash can, your seat, your blow dryer. There's a magnifying mirror. You've got your phone as well to contact customer service. You've also got another set of 2 American plugs, a USB, a USB-C. You've got 1 European plug, and there is only the 1 European plug in the entire room. So if you're coming from Europe, make sure you bring some additional chargers. You've got the same curtain fixtures on this side of the bed, lighting, 2 more American plugs, and as well as another USB-C and a USB outlet. The bathroom was very well appointed, very large sink, ample amount of towels. You've got your little shower poof, some cotton balls, sort of all the usual little amenities, Q-tips. You've got your upgraded L'Occitane, lotion, soap, and you've got a plug for a shaver. The toilet has its own separate space with a door, sliding door, and the shower was quite large, ample room. It's got a rain shower above, as well as a handheld shower nozzle. Again, you've got the upgraded L'Occitane amenities, shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. You've got a stool, a little shelf to put your razor and that sort of thing. And up above, you've also got your shower line, hang your bathing suits, and again, you've got your rainforest shower head. The bathroom itself does have its own actual door, which is fantastic for privacy. So we'll head outside now, out onto the balcony. We were very comfortable chairs. The chairs actually reclined, and we've got a nice large table where we were able to enjoy room service for breakfast or just some drinks in the afternoon. Here we've got some chocolate-covered strawberries, assortment of cookies, and these were some sort of canapes, and then some chocolates that our butler left for us each afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. We were Savor in Style. Please give us a like, thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos.